In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a to-do list in Google Sheets, and we'll even include a free template for you to use. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you have a Google account and access to Google Sheets. Once you're ready, we begin by opening a new Google Sheet. Simply head over to your Google Drive, click on New, and then select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will give you a blank slate to start with. Now, let's make your to-do list more organized. Highlight the cells from B2 to C10. To do this, click on cell B2, then drag your cursor down to C10. This selection will be your main workspace for your to-do list. Following that, we want to ensure these cells stand out by clicking on the borders icon in the toolbar above. This icon looks like a square with a dotted line around it. Once clicked, you should see a menu with border options. Select All Borders from this menu. This will place a border around each cell you've highlighted, clearly defining each task's space within your to-do list. This not only enhances clarity, but also makes your to-do list visually appealing. Next, let's add some color to differentiate between tasks. Click on Format in the top menu bar and then select Alternating Colors from the drop-down menu. This feature is quite handy as it allows for easy distinction between different rows, which can be very helpful when managing multiple tasks. Once you've accessed the Alternating Colors menu, click on Default Styles. This will automatically apply a standard alternating color scheme to the cells you've highlighted, adding an extra touch of organization. Afterward, click Done to apply these changes. Moving forward, let's make your task tracking even more interactive. Highlight the cells from C3 to C10. By doing this, you're selecting the range where we'll be inserting checkboxes, a nifty feature for marking tasks as complete. Click on Insert from the top menu. This presents a list of options, from which you'll select Checkbox. By doing so, you add a checkbox to each cell in the selected range, allowing you to tick off tasks as you complete them. And there you have it. You've just created a structured and interactive to-do list in Google Sheets. This list will help you keep track of your tasks efficiently and with a bit more style. Remember to save the template as you might want to use it again without having to start from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!